tutorial on Spring-based employee management. In this tutorial, we'll go through how to create a simple Spring application to manage employee details like ID, name, and department. We'll also perform CRUD operations, insert, delete, and retrieve employee records. Let's start by exploring the code in detail. First, we have our employee DTO class, which holds the basic employee details like EMP ID, EMP name, and department. It also includes the getters and setters for these properties. Next, we have the employee repository interface that defines the operations for interacting with employee data. These operations include insert employee, remove employee, and fetch employee. In the implementation class employee repository MPL, we initialize a simple in-memory list of employees. We also define methods for inserting, removing, and fetching employees. Now, let's move on to the service layer. The employee service MPL class implements the employee service interface and interacts with the repository to provide services like inserting a new employee, deleting an employee, and fetching all employees. We use constructor injection to inject the employee repository dependency into the employee service imp. This ensures that the service class has access to the repository without hard-coding dependencies. In the Spring configuration class, appconfig, we define the beans for employee repository and employee service. We also use springs at bean annotations to wire the dependencies together. Finally, in the employee management app class, we demonstrate how the Spring container is initialized and how the application performs the operations of inserting, deleting, and retrieving employee records. Let's run this application now and see the results. Run the application. Show output on the screen as you explain the results. Here you can see that after inserting a new employee, the list is updated. Then we remove an employee by their ID, and the list reflects this change. This is a simple demonstration of how to use Spring's dependency injection to manage application logic. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.